What's up guys, Sal here. So prior to Google's official announcement, the Pixel 7 Pro was taken through its paces, revealing the capabilities of the Tensor 2 chipset compared to the competition from Qualcomm and Apple. This retailer in Bangladesh who leaked the hands-on video of the Pixel 7 Pro almost a month ago is back again, but this time he's running the phone through popular benchmarking sites, putting emphasis on the phone's performance. First, he ran the Geekbench, which measures the CPU performance, and the scores were 1054 on the single core and 3100 on the multi-core test. This is an improvement compared to last year's Tensor chip on the Pixel 6 Pro. Next, he ran the phone through an Antutu benchmarking test, which measures both CPU and GPU, and the Pixel 7 Pro scored a little over 800,000 points, which again is a respectable improvement over last year's chipset. Now, these scores are severely lagging behind the competition. Both Qualcomm and Apple's chips can easily cross 1,000,000 points in Antutu. But you need to keep in mind that benchmarks are mostly about peak performance and not everyday use cases. Flagship phones these days have more power than the average user needs, so I don't think most users would even notice the difference in performance between the Pixel 7 Pro or the S22 Ultra or the iPhone 14 Pro Max. But you see, what matters more is the efficiency. How's the battery life, how optimized the phone is, and we'll have to wait and see how the Pixel 7 Pro fares in this category. Now, we already know the US pricing of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, and it will remain identical to last year, which is $599 and $899 respectively. Now, we've got the UK pricing of the 7 lineup as well, and as you can see, it's $599 and £849, which again is the same as last year. The pre-order gifts are some of the best we've ever seen. Some countries will offer the Pixel Buds Pro, and some others will give the new Pixel Watch to those who pre-order the phone. Speaking of the Pixel Watch, we have some real hands-on images of the watch and its big fat bezel. Honestly, it feels like this watch should have been released in 2012 instead. Those bezels are big. But thankfully, for the most part, Wear OS 3 does a good job at obscuring the black ring, making the bezel seem like part of the display. So it's not really that noticeable until you're looking for it. To know what all new features you're gonna get with the Pixel 7 Pro, click here and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.